Hi everyone, it's Neil and welcome to my office, and today I'm going to show you these are some hooks. There really doesn't say much. It says garage organizer hooks, I think is what it says when it says organizer utility garage. So let's open these up and I'm going to show you what this is. So I got a whole set of hooks because I've been hanging stuff up in my garage in Florida. I'm actually in Texas right now, so I'm bringing these with me. I should have ordered them to be delivered there, but I wasn't smart enough apparently, so this is what I got. So this is the, well, it comes with the instruction manual, and then here's kind of how you can hook it up to the wall. It looks like it comes with the different screws for the different types of mounts. It looks like these little, I'll open it up here and show you. So these ones here are, I think if you're using like concrete or something like that, so you can kind of drill a hole, stick this in the concrete, and then you screw it in with this here and it expands just a little bit, right, to make it fit. And then there's the drywall versions of the same kind of things here. You can kind of see, I'll open one of those up so you can see it. It comes with a whole lot of screws and stuff. So, you know, it's got this kind of thing. So you kind of hammer it in and then you screw it into the drywall and then it sticks in there, and then you can screw your screw into the apparatus that way. So that's how it can hold to the wall, so it can hold to, you know, concrete, or these would work in sheetrock or wood or something heavy too. Or if you get a stud, you can just go right directly in with the nail, with the screws. So let's see what the different hooks are that we got here. So we have, first we have, it looks like there's 2 of these. I'm never gonna be able to put this back in the box the way it was, so it'll be interesting. So here's it, and so you see I got this color. It comes with a few different colors, but I think this might be orange. But I'm colorblind, so if you didn't know, there we go. And then so there you can see it screws up, and you can screw it through the different holes there onto the wall. And then this will be for hanging something, whatever. I mean, I have to hook up. I have like, so it's got 2 of these. So I have like ladders that I want to hang up. I have my kayak that I want to hang up, and so this probably wouldn't fit a kayak, but it would probably hook onto the top of a ladder. Or I have some bags that have like my what's it called, stand-up paddleboard kind of hangs up, so that would probably have, it has hooks on it, so I could hang that, or some of my other boating accessories and whatnot to hang on there. And then it comes with 2 of each of the different sizes. So this one here is a bigger one, so this will fit something a little bit larger in there. And then it comes with these ones here that have like a little lip on the end of it. You can kind of see that. You're probably just hearing a lot of scrunching from all the bags, sorry. But, okay, so there, so that one has the, you know, kind of a squared off one, so it'll fit something more flat. Might hang my toolbox on these, I don't know. We'll see. And so there's 2 of those. And actually it looks like there might be two more of these. Let's see, are these all the same? Oh yeah, so there's 4 of those ones, I guess, because there's 2 and 2. So 4 of those. And then we've got 2 of this size one, which is like that same concept, but bigger with the big square ones. So these would be great for the ladders. And then it's got 2 that are really long ones, which would probably be great for hanging my bikes, you know, my bicycles, because that would fit on there. And these things are heavy duty. I mean, my bikes are pretty light. They don't weigh much because they're road bikes. Actually, I do have an electric one that would be pretty heavy, but I'm guessing this will hold it. This thing's pretty darn strong, so I can hang it from that as long as I get it into a stud or something good. I wouldn't do that one on just sheetrock. So it comes with 2 of those. So it comes with 2. So let's count them all again here. If we put them back, we got 2, we got 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We have 12 different kinds of hooks. Boy, 10 fit in there easy. Actually, look at that. I actually got it back in the box. I'm not proud. And then we got the screws, and look at that. Yeah, well, it's not doesn't feel perfect. It's a little popping out, but I did pretty good. I'm impressed with myself. So this was it. It was pretty inexpensive and easy to, it looks like it's gonna be easy to set up. I mean, I have a million of these hooks and in my Plano house here, so when I set it up there, it'll be good too. So that's what this is the hooks. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more things soon. Thanks for watching, bye.